In order to carry out this repair, we have to switch to the back side of our dryer. First, we have to remove all the screws from the large plastic hood cap, including the ones at the centre where the flange is positioned, but not the 4 at the bottom. Before we detach the plastic hood cap, make sure to loosen the plug first. Now, when we remove the hood cap, the fan comes along with it. We then loosen the 4 remaining screws. The 2 hood cap parts can be separated from each other. We then loosen the plug by pushing the side clips with our screwdriver. We can now remove the old fan and put the new one in its place. By first pulling the plug through the hole and then turning the fan in its correct position. The plug can be reattached also. We then reattach both hood cap parts and tighten the fan again with the 4 screws. The whole plastic hood cap can now be placed back on its rear side of the dryer. First, by snapping it at the top, then plugging it into the bottom, and finally reattaching it with our remaining screws.